friggin' right. It's been days since I've been outside. Cole, quit that kind. Hopefully this weather frigs off soon though. Good lord. Holy shit, what happened?
Hey, sorry. I had my earphones on.
I just got here. I was gonna knock on the door.
Cool. How you doing, Chris?
Not too bad. I'm probably dirt $35 worth of gas for sakes.
What's that?
Probably just burnt $35 worth of gas
No.
for sakes.
Now with the price of gas, though, it's $15 to fill it. It used to be 10.
Could you get from Sardy to here on a tank?
When I left, I'm not going to Sarnia with that. I'm going to Exeter with that. When I left Exeter, I ran out of gas at what do you call it, the turnoff or Kettle Point. But I had a jerry can of gas with me. I know enough to bring one. You gotta take a look at the shitter.
What'd you do?
What's that?
Did you poop in it?
Oh no, I cleaned the thing up. Everybody in town shit in that thing.
Oh yeah? Is there logs in it?
No. It's all nice and clean.
Nice.
But it does need to be emptied soon. I'd say by the end of the month.
Oh dear.
I will take this one. This price is 40.
Oh yeah?
Right? But this small one, the same power. I think they
Careful.
are the same, so I think.
Oh
because,
dear.
yeah, because I think the same power, so the plan uses the same. Yes, I don't know why they are different.
Different
But
lights.
it is. Because I drive long way to here.
Yeah, Inwood's awesome, eh?
Yeah.
You come here before?
London.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's the ID. So can you?
$10?
Yeah. Long journey, but very interesting. Because today is a nice day.
Yeah.
So okay, thank you.
Right on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I gotta get some stippy tapes for this. Okay, dudes, we're going to try to tackle this power steering situation. I already got the studs and the friggin' muffins out of the old ones, so we got to, like, you know, plug some holes and stupid stuff and this and that. I probably melted that seal really good, so we're going to lose all our power steering fluid into the engine, which is probably really good for it. But yeah, now that we got this thing off of there, it shouldn't be too big of a deal to, you know, replace if that's the case. But anyways, got my one broken bearing puller, and that thing it started to come, so I thought, oh, I better grab my movie. And then I started banging these out too. Where's the thing? I found this thing in there. This thing was in there, and I found it. So I just took that guy and whacked it out of there, and I whacked that guy out of there. And then I got some sort of a tippy-tappy. We can hopefully just plunge this guy in there relentless, like it's an antler up a hobo, and it will waller out the situation to whereas we can put a plug in there, and that'll be done for that bit. And then we got to just pull the bearing off this bit and clean it up, and then we got to put the stud berlinis and the what's-its on there, and then we can put the housing on the guy, press the guy on the guy, bolt her all together, stab her in the truck. Easy. I mean, anything's easier than getting that thing off of there. I don't know. There was a friggin' interference fit, that's for sure. That's for sure as frig. But Anyways, that's old news. We're on to the next step now, I suppose. But anyways, we'll get our bearings amongst us and then we'll proceed. Oh yeah, that's just coming right off there, relentless. I was barely even stuck on there, boys. Yeah, we did. We really did. We did that. This is a 3/8 NPS 18. Not very likely we're going to have an asshole for that, but you never know. This is Inwood. We got all type of shit here. It was Montes to Bontes, boys. I'm a thread making specialist. I'm a freaking specialist at making threads. Oh, you know what, too? There's an O-ring in there. But hopefully I have one. Son of a bitch, I forgot about that. Idiot! Okay, well, for my best of my three abilities, it looks like it's a R28. R28 should seal that up nice. Should maybe give her a little Scotch Brady poo and claw that prick out of there. Of course, I don't have plugs. Nope. But I mean, short of drilling it bigger, there's nothing really we can do. I'll just have to get plugs the next day we're in town. But the other thing I was thinking is because, like, the maybe I can show you on this engine, the power steering pump with the stovepipe vacuum pump has a oil feed, but on the early first gens with the diaphragms, the Maphrodites, they didn't have the oil, and the housing was a lot shorter, but they had these great big cans on the side. No good. So take the cans off, plug the holes, and we take one of the holes and run it into this guy here, so as we can see, because this one's, you know, oil for the fuel pump, injection pump, and then oil for the you can't even see it because there's chain in the way, but so it just tees off out of the block, oil up to the injection pump, oil into the friggin' vacuum pump, and then it will just dump back into the engine. So as I'm thinking, why not feed oil into there so it just pours out, because like otherwise the ports are blocked, right? I got them blocked off in this block. But anyways, that's an idea. And we could just get like a reducer and put a fitting in there with a little tube going into the block, and then oil would just flow into there and then just pass the gear and down into the timing case. Yeah, that's my theories anyways, but I don't know, for what it's worth, maybe we'll get a new seal, and because we gotta wait for plugs and shit anyway. So this is what happens. I was all really gonna be like, yeah, I'm gonna make a vidya about this power steering pump, but it's Saturday, tomorrow's Sunday, nothing's open, so I'm dicked. right? So, any words, we'll get as much done onto it as we can, I suppose. Can't really do anything. Need to replace that seal. We're as far as we can go, boys. That's it. We replaced the studs, the plugs in the back there for myself. Yeah. Claw that out of there. See if it's even close. She's a little thicker. Might not be a bad thing. And we'll spray some juice on this, clean her up a little bit. Not too bad, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, that fit in there friggin' splendid. Look at that O-ring. Holy. She's f***ing squidged in there terrible. I don't think it'll leak. That's definitely not right. Hey? Holy boys. Yeah. Hard to say. Hard to say till we put it on the engine and run it, eh? I mean, it's gonna leak. It's a Cummins. This doesn't matter if it's new or not. But should we just put it together and say frig it? So you just basically stab that guy on there, put a bolt in there, and tighten her down, and she's on there. Put that in there and just scoot, 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 scoot. Put it, back it off, put a spacer in there, scoot, 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 till she's bottomed out, and Grandma's your sister. Grandma's your sister's auntie, if you will. Yeah, looks like that's it, boys. That's all we can do with this for today. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch, boys. I'll just routing some wires, boys. Just rerouting. I'm not a big fan of the way these were routed. So we're gonna like take advantage of our wire. What do you call it? Management tech. Like, I don't know who ran these wires, but they should get a swat like upside the side and back and front and bottom of the head. Oh, look at that. Now we don't have wires like wrapped like around the frame and stuff. They're all like inside of the frame. Oh, yeah, dudes. Very much oblurgenced. Blurgenced. Oh, yeah. Oh, dear. Had a knife. Looked right at it twice. Fucking idiot. Oh, I'll have some serious onboard air. Oh! Oh, I almost perished. Oh! Oh, my genitals. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Look at the fitment. Yeah, man. dudes. Okay, well this should have been done before I put all the lines in, eh? So hopefully we get to just drill through all the lines and wires we got going on here now. Just drill through the fuel lines and break them. Then we can just do them again, right? That'll be it. Oh yeah, just knocked that over. I put it on a blanket so it wouldn't knock over. It just knocks right over. Scratched all the frig. Totally digged. Oh yeah, just bust the grum and fuck it. No. You stay there all apart. Okay, you stay there all apart. That's cool. It's no, it's cool. That's fine. Ooh, I was blinded by the dicks. Ooh, blinded by the dicks. Anyways, I'm just marking the air tank here. But I was just thinking I should probably start growing up, maybe. Thinking about it. 50 years old. Let's put train horns in my stupid van. Okay? Oh, if I wasn't so stupid, I would have brought the hammer and chisel with me whilst I went down there to tape that on there and only have to get up and out once, but nope. No. Oh yeah. We're gonna be sunting in no time. Oh, I should have brought my drill too. Eh? No. Lord. What do you think? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, marked relentless. Holy shit, I'm a marksman. I'm a marker schmidt. I'll bring the small bit and the big bit so that I don't have to get out 2 times, boys. Ooh. Careful, my fuel lines. Good Lord. Saspachazler. That bit's sharper than factory. I must have sharpened that one. Eh? I apologize. That's sharper than factory, that one. It's inwood sharp. You know what I mean? I apologize. Oh, good Lord for myself. That was fun. We really made that into a fun time, boys. Yeah. Oh shit. Almost went to fucking Spanky's. Boys, we've got an air tank mounted in the Gremlin. Oh, dick. Fucking suck me where I shit. Beg my pardon. Oh, dick. That's gonna be awesome. We'll measure center, and then we'll mount the bracket. So our bracket is in the center. Funny that. Oh, my neck. Oh, my neck. Ah, my neck. Ah, fuck. Fat old dumb. Oh. Ooh. Hot. Hot chippy. Yeah. Do I like pickled sausages? What kind of question is that? So that's what I'm going to do there. I'll have the CB over here and the fucking touchscreen dash panel over there. Yeah! Man, the Gremlin's going to be so fucking awesome. I'm going to have like sirens and like a thing so I can like, you know, grab the walkie-talkie and, hey, face, get out of my way! And then, you know what I mean? Yeah. That's even better than a CB radio. It's a CB radio, but with sirens and fucking, you know, different like sirens and shit, and horns and stuff. Well, I can't wait for all the victims' impact statements about how I'm installing accessories and stuff on the van before I've even got like the transmission done or the engine fully friggin' hooked up or that's gonna be awesome. Can't friggin' wait. So just trying to fit up the horns under there and different things, and I'll just have to make a little bit of the bracket. Shouldn't be too big of a deal, but I also did the custom penny switch delete. We had this thing happening over here. It's pretty cool and stuff or whatever, but it's kind of bulky and just gonna be a nightmare to wire up, and I'm already having like an absolute pulmonary attack in my appliance over it. And our buddies down at the auxbeam, say the dudes down at the auxbeam sent me this a while ago from my other truck, but I'm working on this one right now, so we can always get another one later. And yeah, this thing's freaking awesome. You got your 8 switches, and you can program them. You can program each one to do like different things and stuff. But it comes with a bunch of decals. Comes with this fuse box thingamajigger, so it's like a simple matters of hooking up your accessories into that, so as I can just, you know, power, ground, friggin' the one wire. You got this wire here. It just goes from the switch panel to this guy here. Hook your keyed power up, and that's it. You just hook your accessories up into there, and off you go. And then we'll hook this son of a bitch up for the other shit. I might just do like a smaller one and do 6, because now I have this. But we should probably run that shit through relays anyway. So yeah, we'll probably have like 4 or something for relays on this, and then 5 relays for half the panel and stuff. It'll be awesome. But oh man, holy shit. If anybody knows different things about automotive wiring and loves to smoke cigarettes, I invite you to Inwood. Like yesterday. Getting through the piles of parts though, boys. The shelves are starting to clear up a little bit. Tables are clearing off a little bit, not too bad, right? So the parts are disappearing. But yeah, I mean, we're doing the wiring, so I'm hooking up some wire and stuff, so I figure we'll job some of the accessories on there and stuff, and then yeah, I can kind of do a little bit. I'm kind of waiting for shit right now anyway. I kind of cocked myself over there with the pump O-ring, and so I had to, you know, order parts and stuff. I ordered a new top cover. Can't remember if I told you or not, but ordered a new top cover for the NV 4500, because you know I could go through it, but like, you know, this piece is from Calgary, this piece is from Mirco, this piece is from Winnipeg, this, you know, it's just like a whole, you know, and then by the time I pay shipping on all these parts from different places, you know, I'm going to be a panhandler deep into it anyway. So I just bought one that's already together. It's friggin' built, all brand new, and it's got the upgraded stick onto it. So instead of having this round thing coming out of the housing, it's got like a 4-bolt son of a bitch, so you could put like a short throw cigarette on there or whatever you sort of wanted, right? But I got a shim kit on order, and shim kit, 5th gear, and then the roller bearings or needle bearings or whatever. So hopefully we'll get all that stuff ordered up tomorrow, and yeah, it'll be awesome. Then we're still gonna bleed this, but see, a lot of guys are like, oh, the bleeder, but this doesn't have no bleeder on it. There's no bleeder, right? It's like a sealed asshole, right? There's no bleeder up there either. So I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm too dicked. That's what I'm pretty sure. But any words, didn't get what we planned on getting done, but we got a little bit of stuff done. So still a good day. So yeah, but I found that plastic too. So I was gonna like cut a piece of plastic, you know, about was it like 9 by 12 or something like that, and then, you know, it's gonna screw on under the guy, and then I'll sort of mount all this bullshit onto that. You know, so it's like, it's all, you know, copasutic and whatnot, and it'll be awesome. And that's definitely for another day, boys. 100%. Today, no get. Anyways, let me know what you think. Should a 50-year-old be worrying about train horns on his friggin' stupid Gremlin van project that nobody even knows what he's friggin' building it for in the first place anyway for? Leave your impact statement in the grievance section below, and I'll be happy to friggin' read over your suggestions. Hey, other than that, friggin' smoke some cigarettes.